Saachi and welcome back to the Fitness Formula, where we'll be starting our journey towards getting those perfect abs, a toned butt and sculpted legs together. This is part of our ongoing 2-week beginners challenge, at the end of which I promise you're going to feel a whole lot better, healthier and of course fitter. If you haven't already, please make sure you check out our introductory episode to this series to get an idea of what you're actually signing up for. We're going to keep it simple. All you need to do is follow me as I take you through today's 20-minute yoga flow that includes stretching, endurance, and flexibility. This is really going to help soothe, relax, and restore your muscles to ease any pain from the previous workouts, as well as health up for the upcoming sessions in the series. Let's get fit together using the hashtag GetFitGetGlamrs on Instagram so we can repost all of your progress pictures and workout stories as well. Sit in a cross-legged position and get comfortable. Put your hands on your rib cage. Let yourself focus on the movement of your breath. As you inhale, let your abdomen rise and ribcage expand. As you exhale, draw your abdomen in and feel your ribs contract. See if you can actively move the breath into your hands. Extend your arms out in front of you and bring your forehead onto the floor. Your knees can be as wide or close as is comfortable for you, and breathe slowly. On an inhale, lift your chin and chest and tailbone into cow pose and arch your back. On an exhale, tuck your chin and hips rounding inwards. Inhale into cow, letting your shoulder blades meet. Exhale into a cat gaze, spreading your shoulder blades apart. Go through a few more of these to finish a whole minute. Now walk your hands forward, inhale and move your body into a high plank position. Keep your hands planted and bend your knees slowly and walk into your feet towards your hands at the top of your mat. Let's flow through a few more rounds of this. Inhale, extend your arms upwards, lifting your heart up and bending back. Keep your arms alongside your ears, shoulders down. Exhale and release back into forward fold. Inhale and plant your hands on the mat and step your feet into a high plank. Look forward and lightly hop onto the forward end of the mat. Move into standing back bend. Lift your chest up. Now bend back, fold forwards and pull your hips up as your spine lengthens forward. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lay your torso over your thighs. Move your hands to your left side, allowing your head to rest and let your shoulders relax completely. Now move back to the center. Once again, keep your shoulders and head in a comfortable position. On an inhale, step your foot forward into a lunge. Exhale, pull your hips back, straightening your front leg with your toes pointing up. Inhale, come back into your lunge, lifting your gaze towards the floor, and go through the entire cycle a few times till you feel comfortable. Lift your left foot upwards, moving into half pigeon, and move into half position with your left knee into your chest and position it right behind your wrists. Then lower your body as much as you can. Breathe deeply and relax your upper body. Repeat the same flow on the opposite leg. From child's pose, move your right arm from underneath your left and stretch it out till what seems comfortable. Allow your right ear to rest on the mat. Close your eyes before you breathe and swap sides. Do the same by threading your arm underneath the right side with your ear to the floor. Come back with your hands flat on the mat, knees on the floor, and take a few cycles of breath. With your back flat on the ground, move your feet to face each other. Let your arms fall to your side and knees pulse as they relax to the floor. This pose is a great hip opener. Breathe evenly as you allow your knees to straighten out and relax. You can be in the Savasana position for a few seconds to a few minutes until you feel completely at peace. I know how difficult this kind of workout can be for us beginners to get through, but if you made it through the day, I'm proud of you and it's all going to be worth it in the end. Make sure you come back for our next episode in the Fitness Formula, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.